If you're an Amazon Flex driver, for some reason you're unable to deliver a package, let me show you how to return this package back to the station. The first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna go back to your Amazon Flex app. You're gonna click U to return. After you click U to return, it's gonna give you two options. The first option is to return to the station now, return by 10 a.m. tomorrow. It's better to return the package the same day, because if you return it by tomorrow, it's probably gonna mark as late return, and you don't want that because it's going to your history. So the best thing to do is to return the package the same day. In case it's too late and you're tired, or you got an emergency, you can't go back to the station because it's probably full, just return it in the next day. But remember, in case it come back like late return, just call Amazon to remove it from your history. So we're gonna click return to station now, and they're gonna give you option to stop travel to the station. So we're gonna click stop travel, and then when we get to the station, we're gonna click I arrive, and then we're gonna give you option to stop scanning your package. So we're gonna click scanning returns, and if you got multiple return, make sure you scan all of them and watch for the green check mark next to it. That's mean the item already scanned. So when you get inside to the station, you're gonna see an arrow say return, and you're gonna see a big bins there. This is where you're gonna drop your package. Don't drop it in the floor. Make sure you drop the package inside the bin, okay? And after that, you're gonna swap to finish. You're gonna say thanks for making returns, and you're gonna click got it. This is how you return your package back to the station. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe, because in the next video I will share 3 reasons why you need to return the package back to the station.